birthday po tita. Sana di ka pandahat ng birthday. Marakal. Thank you kay pamag-welcome ka na ako kaya kayo. Ito. Thank you.
Happy birthday po, tita. Say happy birthday.
My wish.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maria!
Happy.
Ay wala. Happy 40th birthday. More birthdays to come. Para mo pera eh. Wala na akong
Always
pera.
naman eh. Always.
Sana, alam pagbabayo. Ito mo, nga sabi ko.
God help and
help.
more blessing.
God bless. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you sa
lahat. Ayun masasabi ko.
Lalo kay guys.
Thank you. Love you.
Hi. Hi, Ann. Happy birthday, and wish you more birthday to come and many candles to blow. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kaya kang paman ng tabi at paman niya walang metong kaya kami. Ito mo, ang papang tuloy-tuloy yung blessing kaya katamuhan bilang papamilya. Ito mo, God bless.
Hi, Machu! Blessed birthday! Wish ko good health always. Salamat king tawag ang tabi kay kami. Salamat sana ikamagmay. Lagi. Wish you always happy and blessed with your family. Thank you. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday kasi may kababata. Hanggang kalokon. Yenit suta na gini. Salamat. Gampakanyan po rin na busy life ko para kids ko. Pero ati ka paborit tayo para kaya kami. Hanggang mag-planting makating station. Thank you, Kas. Happy birthday again.
Hello po, Tian. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
God bless.
More blessing to come.
Birthday, Mommy Yan. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Yan. Happy birthday, Mommy Yan. I miss you, and I'm gonna see you really soon. See you next time.
Happy birthday, Mommy Ann. We miss you and the family. You take care always and we love you.
Oh, and
God
thank
bless
you.
you and your family. You have the same word?
I just wanted to say thank you for taking care of me of all those years.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy, and happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Teng! We love you and we miss you. Wish you all the best and all the happiness in life. We miss you there in Dubai. Hope to see you soon again here in Canada.
Anak ko kanan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Teka na. English teka. Teka niyan. Likwanda ka. One, ay di ka pampaban mo. Gini, or na ka pala. Lima na yan. Lang mo, kapilang kami. Nalagulong niya ako yun. Nakakabilusan kami. Yan eh. Sana dakal data na birthday ne at saka proud ko at dakal at saka malabog ka rin sa patab mo, malabog kang kaluguran na malabog kang pengari at saka kaya naganat siya naman dito. Sana kaya mo paborin yung sarili mo na. Yan din, akilo Kelly Riyati mong kaya happy birthday. Happy birthday! Emo paborin sarili mo na. Emo, at saka aldoldo magpalago ka na. Emo paborin sarili mo. Magpalago ka. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Brats. Love you.
Love you.
Hello, Brad.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Anyang oras ini.
No ka rin kami mo. So kami Kenny kaya kayo.
Happy birthday.
Ano ba sabihan?
Enjoy mo. Rangala kami.
Sayang ala kami. Pero dyan kami man Kenny. Kaya beme yung may tayo pabisang marap manisip ka pa ano sabihan na. Message. Sana
Good health lagi. Kaya ka magbayo.
may itong panganak, lalaki. Ano pa ba?
Go for the gold.
Sa akin mag-message niya, sana tuna kami mukin. Pero masaya na kami man para kaya ka. Basta itang communication tamo. Diretso pa rin nalang magbayo. Kahit alit pang kaluguran, ita ka man kaluguran, kapatid na kayo. Huling itang piyabe tamo. Higit baking kaluguran. Kaya pinamimiss ko mo rin na kaya beda kayo Ken, namiss ko rin anak mo. Rami, hi Rami. Ay tamo Brads, happy birthday, enjoy mo. Miss na ka, love you.
Happy birthday. We love you, Brads. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 40th birthday, Machu!
40 na!
Let's begin at
Yay!
40. Wish you all the best. And I hope, we
Health?
hope, health,
Health?
yes, exactly. And sana makapunta muli kayo dito. And yeah,
At magkikita ulit tayo very soon.
very, very soon.
Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy your birthday. Sana na-surprise ka sa video na to. At yeah, God bless you always.
Love you. Bye-bye.
I love you.
Hi Ma! Happy 40th birthday to you. Tuwa na yung pili na ba? Pero still pretty pa din ang aking mother. Wish ko sana kumaba pa yung demo. Wish ko laging good health. Alim mo pa rin ng sarili mo. Sana tupad ko nga nga ganagan ang pangarap ko. Tayari kong pamag-aral. Para makabawi ko kaming ego na ganang. Linya mong sakripisyo mo kaya kami ka. Thank you for everything. Sorry nung pasaway kami lagi. Sorry. See you soon. I miss you, love you. Kaluguran na ka ma. Sobra-sobra. Tandanan mo yan. Happiest birthday to you again. I love you.
Hi Mother Earth, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and ingat ka palagi. Thank you kasi kaya pinag-Kenny. Soon, pinag-Kenny. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wish you all the best. I love you so much. Thank you so much for taking care of us. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you so much and all the best.
Happy birthday, Habibat Galbi Marian. How are you doing? We wish you all the best from my heart. and from the kids' hearts as well. We wish you all the best, a wonderful year, fully of love, passion, and everything you wish. Love you again. Happy birthday.
Say something.
Hello, Matura. Happy birthday, darling. I wish you all the best, inshallah, and to celebrate again, me and you, 100 years. All the best, full of love, good health, and as you always say, believe, dream, survive. So I love you too much from my deep heart. I wish you all the best. You are the real mom, and still you are my little kid. One of the best things I can tell everyone, that till now you never say my name. I feel that when you forget my name, you always call me daddy. So I promise you, inshallah, I'll be your lover, I'll be your dad, I'll be your brother. Whatever you need, I'm always beside you. I love you again. I wish you all the best. Habibi.